Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we are doing my November Boxycharm. I just got it in the mail yesterday. I'm kind of early. So I did kind of peek in it last night and I actually used one of the products. So I will tell you my thoughts on that. So, all right, let's see. This one has a little orange insert. That's weird. Usually it's black. Okay, so this one is, it's giving giftable glam. Kind of like fall-ish, holiday-ish. Like always, this card is going to tell you exactly what's in the box and the cost of everything. The first thing in here, which I need to put some of this on anyways, I actually own this. This is from Tarte. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip. Now, when I saw this, I got super excited. I was thinking it was the plumper, but it is not. And this is in the color Orchid. I actually have this exact one. So I'm going to open this one up and let's see if it's the same. Yeah, this is the new one. This is the one I have. It's the exact same. Dang it, I wish it would have been the plumper because I really wanted to try that. So, all right, well, I'm not gonna use this one yet because this one is not quite gone, but I will try it on. These are really cool. I like it. They just have like a subtle little color. So you just kind of push this bottom part up and then the product comes up here. And if you get too much, it's really kind of melty. So just make sure you don't get too much of the product out. Just like a really light, pretty color. These do come in a bunch of different colors, but I prefer like the more nude colors. So yeah, this one was in the color Orchid. It's really pretty. These retail for $21. Okay, next thing in here I'm seeing, this is from St. Lux. This is a brow gel. So it looks to just be clear. Yeah, it's clear. So, yeah. I already have a little gel on right now. I have like a brown colored one, but I'll just put a little bit on there. I do like to use this stuff. Like I'll fill in my brows with like the shadow or whatever I use and then just apply some of the gel just to kind of hold them in place. Or these work good for your flyaways too, like especially obviously the clear ones. But if you ever have some hair like flyaways or whatever, my grays sticking up, I like to just kind of put them down with this. So that's probably what I'm going to end up using this for because that's what I like to do with the clear ones. This one's kind of boring. Let's see. This is St. Lux Beauty Brow Gel. I've never even heard of this brand, but it retails for $22. I don't know what these lights are doing behind me, but I hope they're not annoying you guys. I think I'm gonna unplug them. Next thing in here, this is actually what I used last night. This is from Tint Skin, never heard of that. Reveal Ultra Hydrating Cucumber Melon Gel Mask. This is what that looks like. And it just says to apply a thick layer directly onto face and neck and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently massage in excess gel or remove by patting excess using a slightly damp face cloth or cotton pad. So now I did try this last night. It's really like, you know, just like it said, it's like a gel. It's a weird smell. What does it remind me of? When I put it on, it almost has kind of like a spearmint scent to it. I don't know how to explain it. So I did put it on my face last night and I left it on, well, I had it on and then like after 10-15 minutes I felt my face and it was like completely already absorbed. So I didn't have to do anything with it. I did just I added some more moisturizer on my face before I went to bed. And then I did wash my face this morning, but my face felt really soft and I don't know, but like how it said to remove it, like you can remove it afterwards. Yeah, there was nothing left on my face to remove. I guess I could have taken a wet washcloth, like a makeup remover or something and taken it off, but yeah, I didn't notice anything too crazy, but it definitely felt hydrating. And this retails for $28. So yeah, it says it's fortified with hyaluronic acid, cucumber, and melon extracts. It refines the skin with hydration for finer looking pores and an overall healthy, radiant glow. Cool. All right, next in here, let's see, we'll do this because, oh yeah, so I kind of knew what was in the box. So I just applied like my foundation and a little concealer. And then we're gonna use these last two products. So this is actually a cheek What are you? A Cupid Cheek Duo from Natasha Denona. I wonder, like, doesn't it sound like Valentine's Day? Is this leftover from Valentine's Day? So it's a cream blush and a highlighter little duo. It's very pretty. So I do want to try these colors on. I've never used, well, no, that's a lie. I've used cream blush. How do you apply this blush? Like with your finger? Yeah. I almost said it's creamy, obviously. I'm just gonna try a little bit. It's pretty. It's almost got like a, here, I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. It's almost got kind of like a, like iridescent-y color. And then I'm gonna swatch the highlight too. The highlight is not cream. Ooh, that's pretty too. So yeah, I'm just gonna try a little bit of this on. I think I'll just apply the blush with my finger. I really like the cream aspect of it because my skin is a little bit older, so the least amount of powders I can put on my face, the better. And then I'm gonna try the highlight too. I like it. You can't ever go wrong with Natasha Denona. It's always a good product. And this retails for $42. Whoa. All right, and the last thing in here, this is from Tarte. This is a High Performance Naturals Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. I have a ton of Tarte palettes and they're always good. They're always good everyday colors. I do wish that this one had a black in it because my other Tarte palette, the black, broke and I had to throw it away. So I don't have any like palettes that I use every day that have black in them. But yeah, these are all really pretty colors. So I think I might just do a quick little eye look with this real fast. All right, guys, there is my little eye look. I just did something really quick and easy. Like these colors. These are perfect for every day. Yeah, I would say the shimmers or the shimmer glitters, whatever you want to call those, definitely go on better with your fingers. Now we are going to add everything up and see what this box is worth. I paid $30 for this box. This video is not sponsored. I paid for it all by myself. So this box retailed for $143. Yeah, overall, I'm really actually happy with this box because everything that it came with is like, you pretty much have a full makeup look. You got lips, you got eyes, you got cheeks, brows. Overall, I'm very happy with this month's box. What did you guys get? Are you happy with what you got? Let me know down in the comments and we will see you all on my next video. Bye.